Alright guys, in this tutorial we are going to talk about strings. As you can see a train in the image and all the cables that are connected to it, they're similar to strings. As you can see, train is actually a combination of some parts. So is the string. Strings are actually combination of characters. Where characters could be alphabets, they could be numerics, they could be symbols, it could be anything. Now here, the word hello is a string because it's actually a combination of a lot of words. Oh, sorry, alphabetical characters. So let's see how we can deal with them in JavaScript. So I'm going to open my developer options, go to console, clear it. And now I am going to type a string. For example, I could say hi and enter it. As you can see, it has displayed it again. I could also say that same thing in single quotation, like hello, and it is going to display it. So for strings, these double quotations and single quotations are used. As I said, string could be anything. So writing 1, 2, 3 will also in inverted commas will also make it a string, right? So will writing the symbols. Okay. Now let's take a look into concatenation. So string concatenation, as you can see in the picture, is actually combination of two things, or maybe more than two things. And those things in our case would obviously be strings. So I can take one string and take another string and combine them. And this terminology would be called string concatenation. Let's see how we can do that in JavaScript. So I'm again going to clear the console and write a couple of strings like hello, and I'm going to concatenate it, and for concatenation we are going to use this add symbol, and then I'm going to write world. As you can see, it's actually combining those or concatenating those, but I want a space too, so I'm going to put a space before the word worlds here. So this is what string concatenation looks like. That's it for this tutorials, folks.